to say that this was a huge honor. Let me start by saying the Satyapal legacy is incredible. It's something that I'm very, very proud to be associated with. But also David and Rakesh, who I think was so incredible with me. They gave me so much space, they indulged me, they heard me out, they even laughed with me. And I felt like a little child, like being allowed to play. And they also sort of veered me into some sense at certain times, like for example, what I wanted to wear on the ramp. And both of them said, no, I think when it's the last thing, it should be a particular way. But I will say this, that since this is my first collection and I'm not a designer, but I do believe that, this is something my mom's always told me, that there are certain beings who are creative beings and they're happiest being creative beings. They're dreamers, they like to believe, they like to explore, they like to be curious little children. I'm one of those humans or beings. And for me, as a first collection, I think what just came to me effortlessly, or I would like to say authentically, was a part of me. So the dreamer in me, the little child in me, the person who loves to read fantasy, who believes that there is a tiger peeping around from somewhere there, who smells flowers and is not necessarily ferocious, dragonflies, flowers. I think everything that is an extension um, of who I am, and I think that's what this collection is. Well, in a kind of way, and that's the only thing I knew because I'm not a designer. But I love everything creative, and I love the process of design, and they made it all the more exciting. I feel like, again, I would like to repeat the same thing. I think there's an authenticity and a power to a Satyapal creation, but I think what makes a Satyapal creation unique is that it speaks to each one of us differently, individually, and I think the individualistic nature of how it speaks to us makes it special. And I think in the 2026 collection, there is, of course, the Satyapal print legacy, but there is a lot of whimsy, there is a lot of playfulness, and I think I hope that's how the collection is going to now grow and move forward. So that I, as somebody who's going out, I want to be able to pick a sari from my wardrobe and wear it without having to think twice. Because I wanted to speak to me, I wanted to feel like my own, and I wanted to feel like a modern heirloom. And I think that's what's, for me, special about this whole creative process, in this collection. See, I can't say anything theoretical. I can only say that it's the things I like, it's the things I feel that people like me look for today when they're looking for a sari to wear or they're looking for a garment to wear. Like, for example, it's also where I come from, my heritage, my history, my culture, how I grew up. Like, for me, for example, I don't think that to make a sari modern, you have to wear it with a bralette. I feel like a puff sleeve blouse is very beautiful too, and it's very cool, it's very modern. There's a kind of sense of nostalgia, but it's also very um, feminine, yes. And I love that. I believe that the dichotomy of these things do coexist. Like, a flower doesn't necessarily mean that it's so fragile that there's a power to a flower. At the same time, a tiger is not necessarily ferocious. There's a softness and a playfulness to a tiger. So I like that, and I think that for me was very important to bring into this collection, because as an individual and as a performer and as an actor, I've been asked this question so many times, because everybody, is everybody sort of. I think the first thing they see about a person, like, I will always be told, oh, you are so delicate, or you look so vulnerable, I feel like you're going to break. But I always say, no, but in a storm, I will be standing next to you. And I think that is very, very important. I think my vulnerability is my greatest strength. And I feel that is very important for me to show in a collection as well. I think मेरे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि मैंने सत्या से मैं जुड़ी हुई हूँ, एंड स्पेशली क्योंकि डेविड एंड राकेश have been with me through this. They are the OG creators of the collections, and I have joined them as a co-creator this time. And also मुझे बहुत स्पेशल लगा कि उन्होंने मुझे
बहुत स्पेस दिया अपने आइडियाज़ और अपने जो भी मतलब जो भी मेरे मन में था मैं बोल देती थी. और मेरा mood board, they were very indulgent with me, and we had a lot of fun doing it.
Yeah.
And also to keep this legacy alive and actually to to see it move forward, I think is very, very special. And yeah,